Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August 28th, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on my bottlehouse gourds. The one that was hanging on, I lost that one, but I do have this one here hanging on now. I hand pollinated this one myself when the flowers were open, and I have another little one over here. I didn't hand pollinate this one, so hopefully it got pollinated enough for the gourd to stay on. I think that's what happened with the other one. It was either that or just something with the weather or something like that. If they don't get pollinated right, it'll also make your blossoms and your gourds fall off. So we are having a little bit of an issue. We're starting to get powdery mildew. I'm going to have to address that. I'll be using some neem oil on that. So I'll leave a link down below in the description for the neem oil that I use, because I really want to get this gourd to give. I was hoping to have a lot more of them this year. Unfortunately, though, that didn't happen. I think my other one, hold on. Okay, this one over here is actually growing in my flower bed, and it's sort of growing on a shepherd's staff in a way, but it's also kind of climbing the cone flowers and anything else that it can climb. So it does have some hanging on it. So hopefully these reach maturity before the frost hits or something, so I can have my gourds for crafting. And these are really neat. I like the gourds. I like the way that they look. I like, they're just very unique. I know there's one, I believe it's called a Tennessee dancing gourd, or Tennessee spinning gourd. It's one of those. Rare Seeds has it, Baker Creek Heirlooms, and I've always wanted to try that one. I think it's neat looking, and so I don't know, I might try that one, I'm not sure yet. But these are the bottlehouse gourds, and you can see it actually, it's just growing away here. So just wanted to give you a quick update on these. Now these are the tender reels here. They're kind of climbing and getting a hold of whatever they can, and I'm just letting them go. They're actually climbing the hanging basket. You can see there's a little gourd right there, and his flower is just coming on there. So hopefully this one here up here, there you go. This one here is the male flower. You can tell because it doesn't have the gourd on the end of it. And this one down here is the female flower. You can tell because it has the gourd on the end of it. So hopefully they're both going to be open at the same time so that this can get pollinated then, and it can grow for me. So you can see here, it's actually attached itself to the hanging basket. So, if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!